Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble, and if you're a returner, welcome back. So today we have the Eyescream Beauty bag and the Eyescream Beauty box. We're gonna open them. So stick around and find out what I got.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, it's ice cream day. We've got the ice cream bag right here, and we're going to open it. Now I have opened this up to make sure everything was intact. So we're just going to go over what I received. Alright, and we got our little card here. It doesn't give any information about what we got, but it does have the name of what we got and the value. We're going to work from the bottom up, as we always do, because usually the fun stuff's at the top. Alright, the first thing that we got was Base Blue Cosmetics Spring Blush, and this retails for $25. Now, I'm not a fan of the company. I have a lot of blushes, so I'm not going to open this one. I think that I will probably send that to a friend. But I love a blush. I just don't like the company. So the second thing we got is the Trend Beauty Summer Vibes palette. And this retails for $10. Let's see. The palette looks the same as the cover. That is a lot of wasted space. I don't have anything from Trend Beauty, so we'll try it out. Again, that retails for $10. And the last thing on the list is the Beauty Creations X Rosie McMichael Liquid Chrome Trio, and this retails for $25. That's what it looks like outside the cover. And we have 3 liquid eyeshadows. We have Ends Fave, Unexpected, and Win. And I am definitely excited about those because, well, we do Single Lady Saturday. Now, I don't think that it needed all of this packaging. It seems like this is a waste of packaging. However, it's kind of whatever. So, I'm definitely excited about this. I will try this, and I will be able to give this to a friend, so there's that. Box is okay. We have a retail value of $60 for the bag. Alright, next up we have the box. And in the box we have a card. Gives a little information about your products, the value, a little thank you message on the back. And as always, we are going to work from the bottom to the top. Okay, so first up we have Blushed Quad by Be Bella Cosmetics, and it retails for $12. And those are the shades. I kind of prefer something a little bit more in your face. But it will be something good to put into a giveaway. So, the Light Blush Quad is your perfect companion for a glowing summer, offering shades that bloom softly on the skin or build into a bolder, radiant flush. Each hue is light and airy, giving just the right amount of color for those who prefer a subtle touch, yet versatile enough to layer for more impact. These soft tones pair beautifully with the Girly Pop highlighter, creating a luminous finish that feels fresh and effortless. Alright, and so, I don't know if I said, but that retails for $12. And then we have this Chroma Cub Multi-Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow by Chantico Beauty, and this says it retails for $20. Of course, I'm excited about this because, well, we do Single Lady Saturday, and we could always use another single lady to put into the rotation. And this single lady happens to be a little bear, so it's extra cute. This one is in the shade 6. The other one was in a shade, I think, 1 or something like that. Not that it matters. This has a green and lilac shift to it. Oh, and in the viewfinder, I see blue in there. So I'm excited we will use this. Let's see what it says. Encased in its signature bear-shaped bottle, Chroma Cub is playful on the outside and breathtakingly powerful on the inside. This multi-chrome liquid shadow shifts with every glance, creating a mesmerizing high-impact look that demands attention. Make sure you blend these out before it dries, or it will end up patchy. Once it dries, it won't move. Good to know. Then we have Ruby or Sorbet Lip Oil by Illuminati Cosmetics, which retails for $21. And it looks like I have mine in Sorbet. I love a good lip oil. So that is what we're looking at. It doesn't smell bad, so we like that. It is kind of sticky, but it's not stringy or goopy. So there is that. So let's see. Sweet, silky, and oh so refreshing, this nourishing lip oil wraps your lips in glossy hydration with a sheer kiss of color. Like the perfect scoop on a summer night, these lip oils leave your pout soft, smooth, and irresistible. Tell me, is my pout soft? What does it say? Soft, smooth, and irresistible? Duck lips. It's a lip oil. I like lip oils though, so that's fine. Okay, Girly Pop Highlighter Stick by Moonslice Beauty, and it retails for $18. All right, so very much reminiscent of the packaging for Fenty Beauty, except cheaper. And mine is stuck to the lid. So we're going to see if we can get that off of there. We were able to squish it back down. It'll work. Alright, so that is the shade. And that is what we're looking at. Not bad. That's not bad. Alright. So, glow like summer starlight with this creamy, travel-friendly highlight stick. With just one swipe, Girly Pop melts into skin for a radiant, lit-from-within sheen that feels playful yet polished. Tip: use under your foundation for a lit-from-within summer glow. I don't use things under my foundation. It just seems weird to me. Everything goes on top. The only thing I use under my foundation is primer. So we'll use that. So far, so good. We have something I can give away, 3 things I can keep. These are good. Now, here's for the last thing. They let you choose. You had a choice this month. You could choose the Bloom palette or the Deadly Rose palette from Clarity Cosmetics. Or you can choose both and pay an extra $10. Which I did because I had somebody in mind for these that I wanted to give them to. Here's the problem. I'm tired, absolutely tired, of receiving palettes from Clarity Cosmetics that are busted. I don't know why she doesn't change the formula. And I don't know why, with that reputation, Eyescream would contract with Clarity for palettes that always come busted. This is the third time I've received a broken Deadly Roses palette from Eyescream Beauty. This one I received from, or the other two I didn't receive from Eyescream Beauty. The other two I received from Clarity. But the fact still remains that Clarity's formula sucks. I'm done with Clarity. At this point, I'm just done with them. I will not be ordering anything from Clarity, and I really, really, really hope that Eyescream Beauty stops sending out Clarity palettes, because this pisses me off to no end. I do not have money to throw in the garbage. Now, I'm assuming that Eyescream is going to replace these, but the problem still remains is, are those palettes also going to come broken? I'm tired. I'm tired of broken makeup. I really am. I'm tired of it. It has made me mad. Not irritated, not frustrated. Pissed. I'm pissed. If Eyescream Beauty continues to contract with Clarity, I will stop ordering from Eyescream Beauty. I will stop my box. I don't want to stop my box. Here's the problem I have with Clarity. You don't have to touch this palette. You can get it in pristine condition. You can put it away in your Alex 9 drawer, whatever you have, and never touch it. And it will puff up and it will shatter. So I'm done with Clarity for sure. I was already done with them. The only reason that I got both of these palettes was because I wanted to give them away as a gift. I have a friend who thought they were really cool, and I was like, well, I'm already getting them and I don't want them, so why not? But now I'm giving a broken gift. Because even if I've already emailed Eyescream, and I expect I expect that what they're going to do is they're going to send me replacements. Or they're going to send me something else because they're out of both palettes. But that doesn't fix the problem, because I would say 9 times out of 10, you get a broken palette from Clarity. Almost every single palette I've received from Clarity has been broken. So now what? Now what do I do? I just keep receiving broken palettes? I don't get the product I actually paid for. I don't get the product I wanted. I can repress them, yes. But here's the deal. People who order these boxes, they order them because they want new makeup sent to them that is not broken. Now, I do YouTube. I've got a lot of makeup, so I'm not really pressed about, oh my gosh, I have to have that palette. It's a great way to build up your collection to get these subscription boxes. I already have a huge collection, so I don't really need the palettes. But people who order these boxes who don't do YouTube expect that their products are going to be whole when they receive them. They don't have the money to be thrown around either. If they did, they wouldn't be wasting their money on weird brands they get in the Eyescream Beauty Box. I mean, nobody's ordering from Illuminati. Nobody's ordering from Chantico Beauty. Nobody's ordering from Moonslice Beauty. These are not brands that you go and you seek out to order from them. They're brands you get in this box. And now Clarity Cosmetics is one of those ones that people are not going to seek out because they're going to keep receiving broken stuff. I don't know. I'm frustrated. I'm irritated. And I'm seriously thinking that this is a waste of money. It's definitely a waste of money. I mean, it says that each one of these palettes is valued at $40. They're not even valued at $5 right now because they're shattered. So it doesn't matter what you put on the card. They're not worth anything. And they're definitely not worth $40. That's not a $40 formula. I'm sorry, it's not. That's I'll buy it for $10. Maybe. And at this point, considering almost every single palette I've received from Clarity has been broken, has been shattered, I wouldn't even pay $10. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm done. And I was in a great mood before this. I mean, look at the makeup I have on. This is happy makeup. This just totally, completely pissed me off. We're going to finish what they have because, I mean, we might as well. Okay, so what they have is 2 palettes, 2 moods, and 1 unforgettable choice. Bloom bursts with fresh, radiant florals, perfect for light, uplifting looks, while Deadly Roses tempts with sultry, grungy tones that bloom with attitude. No matter which arrives at your vanity, you're receiving a work of art designed to inspire. Pair soft mattes with a bold shimmer for that everyday statement, or dive into the deeper tones for a smoky, mysterious edge. All Clarity Cosmetics are handmade works of art. I've never seen somebody's shimmers be so flimsy. Ever. And I buy a lot of handmade makeup. I own a lot of handmade, hand-pressed makeup. Usually it was the mattes that people would have a problem formulating so that they stayed in the pan. Not the shimmers. That's why most companies who sell singles sell shimmers, because they seem to be easier to not break in shipping. How is it that this formula is so bad that it keeps breaking? And it's just the shimmers. It's never the mattes, it's just the shimmers. Yeah. Anyways. Now endeth my pissy rant. Right. I mean, I have a referral code. It is not affiliated. I am not an affiliate of Eyescream Beauty, but I do have a referral code if you want to check it out. But check it out at your own risk. It's not my fault. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below, because I'm here all the time, bitching and complaining. And if I get another Eyescream Beauty Box or any more Clarity Cosmetics, you can guarantee I'm going to be bitching and complaining. Anyways, I hope every single one of you have an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.